Good morning everyone, this is Neve from Cycloid. Okay, today we want to show you how to use Cycloid to control your development environments and the associated costs. We believe that expense management in an organisation is everyone's business, so we want to provide you with the tools to allow everyone to take responsibility for it. Okay, so let's imagine. As a developer, I'd like access to my staging environment Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So once I'm in the Cycloid console, I move over to Environments. I select the environment I want to modify. I'm going to enter a start time and an end time. And when I'm done, I'm going to press Save. So now your environment is going to start and stop automatically, but of course you can also start it or stop it manually whenever you need to. The same goes for all of your other environments. You can either set it to start and stop automatically, or you can control it manually. So I hope this has been an educational video, that you've learned something. If you have any questions, please get in touch and have a lovely day.